Why you yelling at me for?
Why the time is he like there and don't freeway watch me?
What a freeway for who?
The thing. Me saying he wash it.
Why you didn't wash it?
I watch it there and you not watching it right. It means be clean. You say don't have freeway, nothing no mail. I will watch that time. Because that man not for all you. Because you met the shame on water in the freeway. I did. No freeway.
Why everybody in this house gotta yell?
No freeway.
Why y'all keep on yelling?
No freeway. Because we're not for all you.
Yes, it is. We had to get our food out of there.
No touch the food.
You can't touch the food.
If I did some freeway clean. No, where's the glasses? Glasses. That mommy's glasses. Don't touch the sunshine.